Good afternoon, everyone. Ali is here from Vancouver Financial Network. Today is Thursday, January 31st, 2020. Last day of 2020. Was very volatile year for everything, for our personal life, for our financial life, for our romantic life, probably for our family, for our friends, for everything. Volatile year, but it is the end. It is the end, and hopefully everything is gonna be better. I'm not talking about worse. Everything should be better. We're gonna make it better next year. Wish you happy new year, guys, and I want to thank you everyone who is supporting me, my channel, who is subscribing me, who is just giving me even small like a very minor action, but it's gonna support me and it's gonna give me lots of warmth and heart. Thank you, guys. Thank you, folks. Thank you, everyone. Okay, so let's start with today's price action and going to the chart. We are gonna analyze it for today, like S&P 500. That was the last day. Tomorrow is gonna be like a half-day session, and it's gonna be very light volume. This week was very light volume, by the way, and it's gonna be last video for the year. So let's go to the chart, see what chart tells us. All right, let's start with S&P 500 monthly chart. And as you see, the monthly chart is very nice, bullish chart, and we are breaking through just the month of November. We see that we are breaking through this trend line here, this resistance, and then we're going above this resistance. We continue with our parabolic move to the upside. This is very nice, a bullish flag, by the way, and we expect a market is going higher till this is my end, March, April. We're gonna top here probably for multi-year. That was in my webinar. Actually, I told my guys the reason and why we're ending up to this price. However, we don't know exactly if it's gonna happen or not, but I'm gonna give you guys, not you guys, but I'm gonna just give my prediction actually to everyone. If they are interested, they can just text me in Vancouver Financial Network. They can go to that channel, to the Telegram channel, and text me in private to see if my prediction for the year of 2021. But here is like a first quarter of the 2021, and we expect that market actually just going back, probably test this. We test this trend line here. I don't know if it's gonna go back here to test here to 36.28 and then going up, build up the consolidation, probably going up, or just going parabolic up, which is gonna be very powerful and very dramatic fall down afterwards for the market. So be careful on that. And the weekly chart tells us different thing. I just analyze the weekly chart and I noticed that, okay, so let's go to RSI first of all. RSI, as you see RSI, we're just building our momentum a little bit higher and higher, and here is the price. So we have time to go to this line. So look at these lines. These lines are very important, and when we have short sell-off, we hit this trend line here, and we are getting close to the first resistance or trend line here. So that's gonna be a sharp sell-off afterwards. I'm expecting something like this or something like that, or even something like that. I'm not sure if you're getting all the way back down to the oversold area, but it's gonna be very important. Be careful, folks. Be careful when we are getting to this one. Probably we are getting to the second week of January, first week or second week of January. We are hitting this line, and I'm gonna see and keep an eye on that, how we're gonna react to this trend line. However, price action here is the candlestick price action. We had a very nice massive move from October all the way to November, all the way up. I expected to have a correction and then going back up here all the way to January, but we didn't have any correction. We just have a very exhausting mood consolidation. This is not a bullish sign. This is bearish, but we don't know exactly when we are gonna break through down there. So I'm gonna show you something here just for educational purpose here. So we have this exhausting mood bearish exhausting move, but when we break above this exhaustion, we're going all the way parabolic and you see sharp sell-off. Here is another example. So we have like another exhausting move, but a sharp sell-off afterwards. Here is another one. So we are going all the way up, and then here is the choppy exhausting March sell-off 2020. So if we break through above this line, we are going to see a first scenario, which is going to be here, like a parabolic move to the upside. We won't expect any correction. We expect a parabolic move to the upside, and this is my triangle, by the way. Rectangular, by the way, for our target. If we are not closing above this trend line on the weekly basis, then we break through down. We are gonna see all the way down to here, 3200. That's my level. That's my first level to here. Probably we will have like some hiccups here. Look at this. I'm going to show you something like this. I'm going to put it there. Look at this, 33.78, or just a little bit higher. Just give me a second. Yeah. So 33.83. That's going to be a level for first hiccups. So I'm going to just color it yellow and then right there. So that's going to be a first hiccups. It's going to be middle of this wide range candle, and that's going to be a good support. If we break through this, if it doesn't hold here, we're going to go all the way down to here. Anyway, so let's go back to daily charts. I'm not gonna spend more time on it. So here is the daily chart. Daily chart, you see, this is our level. Don't pay attention to these levels. So here is the exhaustion mood, as I talked to you about this. Exhaustion mood is going up, and if we break above this, this is our line here, which is very, very important, 3800. That's going to be a round number. If we break through above this, we're going to see first this 4041.03. That's going to be a maximum level for me for S&P 500, to be honest. So far, I don't know if any changes happen in the chart. I'm gonna be the first one on the roof, just yelling at everyone like it is changing. But now, still, it is the goal. Like ultimate goal is gonna be 4100 for S&P 500. We are above all the moving averages, which is fine, which is very, very bullish. However, this bullish action is very, very exhausted. We like to see something like this. This is the nice bullish consolidation, and after that you will see a parabolic move. But now we are not consolidating properly. However, this bullish candle, and we are consolidating here. This is very, very nice bullish consolidation. Probably we will see another correction here, and then going back up here. If we have like another 4 candles or 3 to 4 candles consolidation here above these shadows, all the closing would be above these shadows. That's going to be very, very bullish, guys, and it is very, very healthy correction, because that's going to be a consolidation correction over the time. All right, so keep an eye on that. Let's go to Nasdaq daily chart here. So Nasdaq daily chart is very, very interesting. Nasdaq daily chart is very interesting. We break above this level, and we are doing consolidation, exactly like S&P 500. We are doing consolidation, and here is my first level, like 13,521. That's going to be my first target. Second target is going to be 14,026. That's going to be a next or ultimate level for Nasdaq. But we have got lots of time to here, probably end of the January or end of the February. We will see that one there. I'm not sure, but I believe March, April, we're gonna see end of the March or end of the April, we're gonna see the top of the stock market for multi-year. That's what I believe. But we need to see price action after that. In the meantime, from now, which is gonna be tomorrow, is gonna be January 1st. Is it gonna be a correction or not? For sure, I'm expecting from here to here we will have like going up and then massive sell-off, like very probably double digit correction, like a 10%, 20, 12%, even 15% correction, and then we are going back up again. But so far, price action is bullish, is better from Nasdaq, because we are, like you see, this is very nice consolidation, going up again, consolidation, and we are correcting over the time, and this is good. This price holding very low. So let's go to Dow Jones Industrial. Dow Jones Industrial, here is the, okay, so Dow Jones Industrial weekly chart, top here, top here, top here, and look at this. Where are we at, folks? Where are we at? We are in a similar situation like this. This little bit worries me, to be honest. And last time we testing this dash line here, and we had like a sharp sell-off down there. This is weekly chart. Probably this week we're gonna see another pullback to this trend line, and then next week going back up again to test this trend line here. If we break above this resistance, the level 32,000 to 34,000, that's going to be a level for our ultimate target. So let's do some calculation. Okay, so here is my calculation. Calculation shows that 32,551 is going to be like, let's extend this one a little bit more to here. Oh, it goes back there, right there. So 32,500, and this one is gonna be 33. So let's type it here. 33 to yes. Okay, so these are the levels that I'm looking at for the maximum level for Dow Jones Industrial for first quarter of the 2021. All right, so let's go to daily. Daily shows that this is again, so all the major indices actually are doing the same. We are showing a very exhaustion on the top. It's going higher, and to be honest, today price action is kind of bullish because we are breaking through above this exhaustion line. I'm not sure, some people probably say, okay, you should put it like here. Some people are saying you should probably put it there, which we are above this. No, we are not above this. We just hit that line and then going back up. So I'm just adjusted a little bit. But previously we have this. I would rather to use this one, to be honest, because this one gives me more like touching, and this is more reliability to the first one. But this one is better. So we are closing above this, but however, we have like this dotted line here, which is coming all the way from these tops, these two tops. And this is very important. And this level is very important for Dow Jones Industrial. So we are gonna see if we are hitting to this line and then we trace it back here, probably test this one, and then going up to 31,200. And then the next levels actually are shown in the weekly chart. Let me show you very interesting chart among the other indices, which is going to be Russell 2000. As you know, guys, we are short in Russell 2000. Here is the weekly chart, and this is very strong reason for me. Look at this, pivot high, pivot high, pivot high, pivot high, and where are we? Exactly, we picked the top and we short and we hit our first target, which was 2000. We short, like we got that 35, almost that $35 per each contract, and that was huge. That was huge gain for us. This action is parabolic, and we are due for correction based on every metrics that you want to point out. Let me just clear this one up. All right, so this one is a parabolic move, and this is the way that I'm finding the top on the market, and we short it here. So where are we going back? Ideally we are going back to this first moving average, which is going to be a scene of crime here. You see this wide range candle? This is the scene of crime, and probably we are getting test to this one. If we are getting test to this here, look at this. This is a trend line. This is a fantastic trend line that we can point out here. Let me just do a little bit adjustment here. So here, probably this one, this is a very nice buying area, I'm telling you guys. But now we are shorting the Russell 2000, and from here to here, it's gonna be like 300, almost $300 per contract, which is a lot for Russell 2000. That's gonna be like almost 10 to 15% drop for Russell 2000. So I'm very confident about this position. My stop loss is above, like, I don't know, probably 2100 or something like that, but or 250, but that was very nice stop for that one, and that was very nice gain for this. So this is the Russell 2000. Let's go to daily, and I'm gonna show you daily chart here. All right, let's zoom in here. Let's erase this Fibo, and this is the wedge that I'm pointing out, guys. So if we put this here, so this is the exhaustion of the, this is bearish exhaustion candle, and we break through down here. So we break through this exhaustion. We are not breaking through this low, but we are breaking through this trend line here, and we are doing consolidation here. This consolidation is forming like a bearish consolidation, and probably we hit down there. The next level is going to be this moving average. If we close below this moving average, we are going all the way down to here, which is going to be here, right? So this is very important. Ultimately, I'm looking for here. This is the level that I'm pointing out. I show you guys here. So this is a better metric. If we extend this one, and probably in end of the January we are hitting this line here, so that would be great. Or there is another scenario. We are not going back down all the way down to here, but we are doing like consolidation. If we are doing consolidation, something like this, then it's gonna go higher, or something like this, then it's gonna go higher. So let's wait and see how market reacts based on the consolidation. This is very nice bearish consolidation, but it fails and doing like bullish consolidation afterwards and then going up. So be careful. If we close above this red bar here and we are holding above 2000 and consolidating, probably we are just closing our position and we are waiting for another more consolidation and going for long. I tell you, I'm gonna change my mind every second if something happening on the chart in a wrong way that I expected. Okay, I'll let you guys know. All right guys, have a fantastic New Year vacation. Have a great 2021. Stay with us. We have lots of material to be covered next year. We are gonna keep you posted every week. We have lots of new services. If you like our services, please subscribe here through this link here and like our videos. Please provide your comments. It's really appreciated always to see your comment. It means that these videos are watched in the YouTube, and also I try to find out like all the answers for you and just post it right away. All right, so have a fantastic Friday vacation. See you on the chart, guys. Be careful for the next week. We have tons of geopolitical issues in the Middle East. Sorry, I have to point it out earlier, but we have tons of geopolitical issues in the Middle East now. So lots of military troops are there. I don't know what's the reason. I'm not getting into the politics, but be careful with your positions. Make sure that you're safe and healthy. All right, have a fantastic vacation, guys. See you. Bye-bye.